So we're starting at S here. So this is the very first one we're labeling. And of course, that is no distance away from S. With that one sorted, we know we can get there in 22. We'll put that there. We can put there in 18, and we can get there in 17. That's the end of step one. We've done this. Now, the lowest of all of these is the 17 here. So this is the second one that we're labeling, and that distance is 17. And where can we get from here? Well, we can go 17 and 6 makes 23 to there, or 17 and 15 makes 32 to there. Nothing else can go from C. So now we step back and look, well, what's the next lowest one? Now, it's not these ones, it's this one here. We're looking across the whole network and seeing what's the lowest number in their working values. This one here. So this is the third one we're labeling, and that's at 18. And from there, we can go 18 and 3. Well, 18 and 3 is 21. That's better than it was before. 18 and 8, we could get there in 26. We'll put that in there. That's the only places we can go from B. Step back and look around. We've got a 22, a 26, a 21, and a 32. So this is the next one we're going to work with. This is number 4, the fourth thing we've done, and the distance there is 21. From there, we can go down there in 7. That takes us 28 there. That's better than we had before. Or get there in 6, which takes us to 27. So that's all the places we can go from E. Look around. Where haven't we been yet? We've been to all of these, so you haven't got to worry about them. We haven't touched those ones yet. It's out of these ones here. 28, 27, 26, 22. That's the next one. So that's my fifth one that I'm labeling, and it's 22 from the start. From there, I can go to F. That will take me to 37. Or I can just go down here in 3. Oh, that's 25. That's actually better than the 26 we had there before. And in fact, that's the next one we're going to go for. That's number 6 at 25 distances away. That means we can get to there. Oh, we could get to there in 27 again. So there's actually 2 routes here. That's going to be interesting if we look for that. Now, where do we go next? So that was number 6. So number 7 is that one there. That's the 7th one. That's 27 there. And that's the first time we can get to the end in 37. But where else could we be? So that's that one done. That's the only place that goes. The next lowest is this one down here. So this is the 8th one in 28. And that would get there in 39. I'm not even going to write that down. It's worse than we had before, so I'm not going to write that there. So that one's done. 37. Oh, well, they're both 37s. Let's do this one next, though. So this is number 8. This one's number 9, and that's in 37. And that obviously is going to be more. And so this one's number 10, and we get there in 37. So what route do we take? So the distance is going to be 37, and we started with T. Now, clearly that came from there, didn't it? So it came from G. And G, well, it could have come from E, because that goes to there. That E would have come from B there, and B would have come from A. So we've got one route there. Interestingly, that of course, that we do 2 different routes of getting to 27 there. We could have actually come from D. And where did D come from? D came from A. Oh, I put an A there. Sorry about that. That should have said S. And A came from S. So I've got SADGT or SBEGT. And the question said, the shortest time is 37. Find the route. It's not unique. That right there. And part C says go via C. Oh, great, that's the only one we didn't go via, isn't it? Go via C. So if we've got to go via C, we're going to have to go down there, which would then take us up to there. And so I would say SC and then follow the EGT path. And that would mean we were at that 23 there, wouldn't it? Which is an extra 2 more than you wanted. So that would be a route of 30.